Hi, this is Hasmik. Well, as you all know, it's summer and it's barbecue time, and I hope so far you've had good summer. And what the summer brings us is a time to barbecue, which makes things more delicious. So one of the things which is I always make with my family is just the tomahawk steak. Tomahawk steak basically is a piece of ribeye steak with a big bone attached to it and lots of fat and marbles. So that's what makes it very delicious. You don't cook this all the time, but whenever you cook, it's very good. So this is one I got. It's a very nice one, nice piece. So what I do is like as soon as I get the meat, like 2-3 days before I cook it, I just put a lot of, generously I salt them all sides and put them in refrigerator. So this has been salted for 2 days, and then I'm going to grill it now. So for this by itself is very delicious, but I am going to add some rubs, dry seasoning, just this very mild one, because I don't want to take the real, the natural flavor of the meat, because meat itself is very delicious. So what I have here is I mixed half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and half a teaspoon of granulated ground garlic powder. So I'm gonna rub this generously on all sides. As I said, I don't want to put too much because I still want to have that natural flavor of the meat, because when the meat cooks with all those fats, and then it becomes so delicious, you will love it and you will never grill anything else steak. So this is how it is. I'm going to just, I have turned on my grill. It's hot, probably like 400 degrees. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use, start with the high heat, just to get the nice crust on both sides, and then I'm going to lower it. In total, we're going to cook this around 30-35 minutes, or the temperature we need. So let's go to the grill and put this on the grill. So I'm going to put this on the grill. So we're going to let this cook on high, like a minute or two, to get nice crust on the side, and I'm going to flip it on the other side and let it cook. Close the lid and let this cook on one side, and we'll flip it over. We'll be back. Okay, we'll see. You can tell it's done. We are gonna flip this over. Oh, it's very big. Look how gorgeous it is. This is all flavor. So we're gonna flip it over and let the other side get the nice, real juicy crust. And then we will lower our grill, let it cook until we get the temperature we want. As they say, it's done when it's done. So let's. So while our tomahawk steak is grilling, and we can eat it just like that. It's very tasty because it cooks with all the fat and all the seasoning. But I also sometimes eat it with chimichurri, which is what I did. I chopped very finely handful of parsley and small shallots. The reason I'm using shallot, because shallot is milder version of onion and works better. So to this, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Not too much, because we already seasoned our steak generously. And I'll add some pepper. Pepper is always better when it's grounded freshly. So I'm going also to add some neutral oil, vegetable oil, or you can add olive oil. So I'm going to mix this, and we can serve our steak. It's very easy. If you like, you can add a little very fine minced garlic too, chopped garlic. But like I said, our steak has already has enough seasoning. So this is our chimichurri. So we can use this too. So let me check our steak. Wow, look how beautiful the steak is. Oh my goodness, look, it's so beautiful and juicy. So I'm gonna let it cook for another few minutes and I'll check the temperature. If you want a red or medium rare, it's like 135, 130, 135, but I normally eat my steak well done, so I'm gonna take it when it's the thermometer shows 135 to 140. But if you like your steak rare and red, you can always cook less, but you can check it with the thermometer and make sure. Wow, beautiful. See how beautiful it is, all this. My steak is done because my thermometer shows 135 to 140. I think this is perfect for me, but if you want it more red, you can cook less. But oh, look at this. Let's cut this piece. Look how beautiful, gorgeous. So let's cut this up. For you. Oh. Okay. So the way I cut this, I just grab the bone. What we want to do, we want to cut the bone off. Oh my God, this looks so juicy. And you can just eat this bone too, it's so delicious. So the way I cut, I'm gonna cut it just like this. Wow, this is medium, like almost well done. Like I said, I don't like it too red, but this was like 130, 135. Look, oh my God, look how juicy this looks like. Wow, unbelievable. You can just eat it like this, like I said, or this chimichurri. And let me taste a little. Oh my God, this part is so good. Oh my God, it's falling apart. Add some of my chimichurri. It's so delicious, yummy. But chimichurri is optional. Like I said, by itself, it is so delicious, and all the fat and juices all come together. This is the perfect steak for your summer. Like I said, it's a big one. This can probably feed 2 people or 3 people. You can have it with some fresh salad. You can have it with the mashed potatoes. You can check out more my mashed potato video, or you can have it just like this, or any side dish you like. So let's have a great summer with the brand new steak, Tomahawk steak, and see you later.